Here we are in the 3A trophy. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at numbers 17 and 18. Let's open up number 17, which is just the left hand. Now, as you can see, it looks like just a bunch of crazy random notes. But the thing is, these notes are actually our chords we've been working on the whole time. They are just broken. Instead of playing them together, you play them broken. So you've got C, E, G, and then C, E, and G again. So this is your first, and then you have your 5-7, and then back to your first. And now, if we look at the second line, notice we will have our fourth, first, 5-7, first. And then if we look at the third line, we'll have our fourth again, first, 5-7, first. And then it repeats that exact same pattern on the fifth line as well. So fourth, first, 5-7, first. Okay, so let's go ahead and skip this and move on to number 18. Let's start off learning just the melody so we can get that down and then put hands together. So we have G, E, then D with your 5-7. So that part's very simple. Let's move on to line 2 and do that one. Okay, so we have a couple finger changes. We have the F, F, fourth finger, then third finger, and then right here we have our G, G, fourth finger to fifth finger. So we're going to be switching from C to D position. Let's go ahead and try it. So F with our fourth finger.
Set, go.
F. Then fourth finger, switch to fifth. Okay, so that one's that. Let's move down to the next line. So we have our D position, which means our A is going to be with our fifth finger. So da, 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 da. So this part is probably as far as the melody is concerned, this part's the hardest. So it goes da on this measure. Right here, we have da, 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 da. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it.
1, set, go.
1, 2, 3, da, da. G with your fourth, E with your second, F with your third. Okay, remember you're in the D position for this line. Let's go ahead and do the bottom line, the fourth line, and play through that one really quick. This one's very similar to what we just did.
Go.
Fourth finger, then we're going to play G again, fifth finger, D, C, and then you just finish it off. Okay, so that's the melody. Let's try playing through this whole thing and putting it together, okay? Alright, let's give it a shot.
1, set, go.
First again, 5-7. First, third finger, first chord, 5-7, fifth finger, first chord, then D position, fourth finger, first chord, 5-7, pinky on D. And finish it off with that C. Okay? Takes quite a bit of coordination putting those together because you're doing a lot of finger changing with your right hand and doing a lot of finger changing with your left hand. So a lot of things going on. So make sure you go through all of these with the practice mode so you can really build that coordination and truly understand what you're doing. Now, this one has a kind of a cheat code, not all of them, but this one does. Notice that it has these Roman numerals. So we have our first chord, so it kind of tells you what the chords are. Then you have your 5-7, then first. Oh, look, here's our fourth, then 5-7, first. fourth, first, 5/7, first, fourth, first, 5/7, first. So if you're having a hard time trying to distinguish these group of notes, you can always kind of look at this little cheat sheet right here. Now again, it's not going to always be there, but it helps for this particular one. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Go ahead and work on this, and good luck.